Hey class, so I wanted to create another video here to post on our Teams and our Google Classroom page to go over the documents that I've posted but since yesterday. Alright, because I'm still getting an overwhelming amount of students not being able to upload or update their Module 2 corrected assignment, I wanted to post the actual Google Doc version of it here. Okay. The other things I've posted is an assignment turn-in place for you to turn in your assignments as well as a physics Q&A, which I'll go over in a moment, okay? So first off, if you're still having trouble editing after watching the video yesterday, it seems to only be working for about 85 to 90% of the students. If you fall into that category where you are unable to edit it, please click this link here, all right? And this is going to open up a Google Doc, okay? Now, look up here and notice that this says Hensley, okay? So this is my copy of this. So in order for you guys to have your own copy, you're going to have to go up here to hit File, Make Copy. The reason this is important is that normally, if you don't create a copy, everyone's going to be editing the same document and it gets kind of crazy, okay? So in the name portion of this, when you say Copy Document, you're going to put your name, all right? And then it should say Week 1 Digital Worksheet 2. You designate where you want to save it as, so wherever in your Google Drive you want to save it, you put it there. Okay, this isn't hugely important as we're going to be doing this with links. Okay, click OK. Okay, after this loads, hopefully our internet's working well. Okay, you should get a Google Doc that now says your name with the Week 1 Digital Worksheet next to it. Okay, so mine says Cole Hensley. You are now able to edit this freely. You can type in whatever you want to put in here. Okay, so edit it, finish all the questions. Remember, so for example, if we want to do terminal velocity, remember that terminal velocity is the velocity once all forces are balanced, or acceleration is 0. All right. So once you've entered all your independent practice, your do now, and your mastery check, okay, you're gonna go up here, okay, and you're gonna hit share. Okay, and remember, after you finish editing, you're gonna go up and hit share. All right. Once you do that, okay, you're gonna get a window popping up that looks like this. You're interested in clicking here, get the shareable link. Okay. So it's going to save it, and then it's going to say link is copied to your clipboard and link sharing is turned on. You want this to say link sharing turned on. Okay. Now, you don't have to do anything else. That link is now copied. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to our Google Classroom page and look at the last thing I posted. Okay. A lot of us, even once you're figuring out how to edit using the video from yesterday, we're still struggling to turn it in. So I've created a Google Sheet here. So if you click here, you're going to be redirected to a Google Sheet. Okay. You see Tyrell here has already posted his assignment, his link to his assignment here. Okay. You're going to find your name. So for me, I put my name here as a test. I'm going to select the assignment link box, put Control V or right click and paste. And now my Google Doc is in here, okay? So for each of you, once you finish editing it and getting that shareable link, you're going to go to this document that says Week 1 Assignment Turn-In, find your name. If you are in period 1, you're in green. Period 2, you're in blue. In the box next to your name, paste the link that you got from your Google document, okay? Once you paste it, you're done. Okay, I will be viewing this and checking to see who has posted and who hasn't. Okay, you can see that when you click on this, it's going to take me back to my assignment, Cole Hensley, Week 1 Digital Worksheet 2. Okay, all right, so that is how to use those first two documents that I posted. Now, because we had a lot of people posting and not paying attention in the chat box, okay, for today, what we're going to do is we're going to use this space here to post any questions and let me answer any questions you have, okay? So click here, and this is going to bring you to a page that looks similar to the one we just used, okay? Except now it's got all your names here, okay? Once again, period 1 is in blue, or period 1 is in green, and period 2 is in blue. Next to your name, type a question. It can be, how do I upload my assignments? What is terminal velocity? Can you explain the math behind this? Something like that, okay? I will put here either an answer or a time that we can follow up and answer this question for you, okay? The reason this will be better for me and for you guys is can have it up on my second screen and monitoring it as the lesson progresses, okay? So once again, you are going to go to this peer physics Q&A, click on it, and be able to type your questions in over here, okay, right next to your name. Now, you will not be able to edit this column at all, so please do not try, okay? All right. So, kind of recapping what's going on today, right? If you're having trouble working with that module 2, click on this Hensui Week 1 digital worksheet here, okay? That's going to bring you to the Google Doc. Make a copy of that. Make sure the name has your name in it. Edit it, and then share the link via this week 1 assignment turn-in, okay? That is how this is going to work, okay? And once again, I'm going to cover this in class today, but I wanted to make sure everyone had this before we get going, okay? Don't forget, if you want to edit that Word document, the video for that is right here. Thanks, guys. See you soon.